Today, I would like to explain volume. Sounds are... Excuse me. Could you keep the noise down, please? I'm trying to do an important talk.
Well, yeah, all right, mate, but I've got to get this fixed, you know what I mean?
Sounds are, of course, vibrations that travel through the air. But what the... I'm sorry about this. That's better. Where was I? Ah, yes. What makes the difference between a quiet sound and a loud sound? Well, it's all to do with the strength of the vibration. A weak vibration makes a gentle sound wave which doesn't travel very far. Be quiet! A vibration with lots of energy makes a very powerful wave.